Hey guys, it's Roblox Media here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Roblox so you can play it. First you open up your web browser. I use Google Chrome. And then you go to roblox.com. Okay, now we wait for that to load. Here's my account. Please don't hack me, please. Okay, Okay, so you go to Google and you search up download Roblox. And then you click on the first result to download it. And then you hit free download. Nope, I don't want gasoline. Okay, this isn't, yeah, download. Okay, and then you download and install it. Okay, and if that doesn't work, you go to free Roblox online free. Alright, to download the free Roblox. Yeah, you go to this website right here. You click and download it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If this video gets 500 upvotes, I'll do a video on how to steal money from your dad's safe.